Hey guys, welcome back. It is the one and only Alia Simone style, and I'm here with a mini makeup tutorial. I say mini because we're a little short on time, but that's okay. We're just gonna go right through it. Hope you guys like it. Starting off with some Calamine lotion, we're going to go ahead and take a little dime size amount and really just stretch that across the face. This is great as a primer. If you have oily skin, anything like me, you're going to love this. Just let it dry a little bit before putting on your foundation, which we're doing the Dream Foundation Liquid by Maybelline. I absolutely love this product. It's one of my holy grails. And then we're just going to go ahead with a damp beauty blender and really just smooth that out, dabbing that all over the skin. I absolutely love this foundation because it totally just matches the tone of my skin. I have a very tough texture to match because I have a lot of reds and yellows underneath my skin tone, but it actually has all of those tones, the gold tones, the red tones, everything that I need. It's right here in this foundation. It's one of my favorites, and I just feel the need to say this is not a sponsored post. I bought this all on my own, and I really want you guys to take your time with just blending your foundation in. That's the key to fire makeup, is blending and taking your time. Blending, blending, blending. Next up, we have the Fit Me Concealer. This is one of my favorite sticks right now. Once you let this bad boy sit there and dry, it really is a super full coverage concealer. It's one of my favorites by Maybelline, and I have been loving this new concealer placement. It's one of my favorites because it really does just highlight all the right parts of your face, and I like to just make this little tree pattern and then we're gonna go ahead and blend that out once we let it dry for a little bit. So this is how we are looking with just the foundation and the concealer nicely blended in. And then we're going to go ahead with the baby powder in the cornstarch, pure cornstarch. This is the best setting powder I've ever used, guys. We're going to put it exactly where you highlighted, under the eyes and under the cheekbone. And then we're going to go ahead with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Espresso. And with an angled brush, just go ahead and brush your eyebrow hairs upward. And then you will see me go along the natural brow line at the bottom that my brow takes on and outline the bottom of my brows with a little bit of the Dip Brow Pomade. This is one of my favorite tricks to doing my brows because it just ensures that all my brow hairs are just popping and it looks smooth throughout. We're gonna go ahead and build up the arch of the brow, and then we're just gonna brush everything in. And then lastly, of course, we're gonna take our Fit Me concealer and just outline the bottom of the brow for that snatched, I just got my eyebrows done look. Raise your hand if this palette has had you in a chokehold since 2019, because baby, it's had me in one. So let's go ahead. We're going to contour with that bottom brown color. We're going to first contour the eyelids. This is my favorite thing to do, is to drag that brown from the corner of your eye into where your eye and your nose meets. And then you're going to see me just dragging that color all the way down the bridge of my nose, all the way down. And then we're going to do the same exact thing on the opposite side. This is my favorite thing to do when it comes to just contouring, giving me that the snatch little nosh, and then the very bottom of my nose as well, just to tighten. With that same color, we're going to blend out the entire face. I know it sounds a little crazy that we're using an eyeshadow to use as a contour color, but I promise you it's the best thing that's ever happened to you in your life, because that color looks so good all over the face when you just use a little bit. So when you want to use a little bit more on the cheekbone to outline that contour area, you're just going to dab it and then spread it across. It's such a rosy brown that it really could even work as like a darker or deeper blush too. But I like to use this color as a contour and a color for my eyes. Now with that upper corner color, we're going to go ahead and use as a highlight. Juvia's palettes really knows what they're doing when it comes to making a highlighter for our skin texture and our skin tone, because this is so beautifully pigmented and it just picks up light so wonderfully on our brown skin. Child, I love it. So we're going to use that angled brush to do the same exact thing and just highlight upon the nose and your cheekbones and the cupid's bow. We're gonna go in with the MAC blush in the burnt pepper. I love this color, and I was never a blush girl, but this one is like so for me. It just blends in so well and it looks so natural. Going in with a waterproof black liquid liner by Black Radiance. This is one of my favorite waterproof eyeliners because I have eyes that water, so I just like to make sure that I look snatched all day, and this really gets the job done. Okay guys, so I'm like really pushing it. So I went ahead and did my eyeliner, my mascara, and my lip liner and lipstick off camera. But I'm wearing a liner by MAC. I will go ahead and tag it right over here. And I do also this beautiful red color from NYX. I put the name of it over here as well. And for my perfume, because that's so part of this, I'm wearing Alchemy, and it is an amazing company. You literally go in, you make your own scents, and literally you come out smelling like whatever you want. It's the best. So I'll tag all that information here and in the description box. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look, and let me know if you want a tutorial on the hair. Love you. Mwah.